The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G sets a new benchmark in its class with a combination of flagship-level performance and cutting-edge features. At its heart is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering powerful and efficient performance for everything from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming, ensuring smooth and responsive use for demanding applications. Paired with a massive 9,000 mAh battery, the device offers exceptional endurance, easily lasting a full day or more of intensive use without frequent charging. Photography reaches new heights thanks to the 400MP main camera, capturing incredibly detailed and vibrant images that rival those of premium smartphones, even in challenging lighting conditions. To top it all off, the phone boasts a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, offering ultra-smooth visuals, rich colors, and exceptional clarity that make gaming, streaming, and everyday navigation a joy. Altogether, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G blends performance, battery life, camera prowess, and display excellence into a standout flagship contender.